Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we're working on this Mercedes. Okay, this is E-Class from 2003 to 2009 model. We'll demonstrate how to remove and replace side view mirror. Okay, left right side will be identical procedure, mostly the same. So this is the model right here. Stay with us guys, let's go ahead and remove it now. Please subscribe and see you guys next time. Alright guys, so now in order to remove the mirror, it's a little bit unusual procedure, not like other vehicles. That Mercedes is a little bit different. Okay, we'll need to remove that cover here. The passenger side will be the same as well. Okay, now we have the wires for the mirror. Okay, right here. So we need to pull them out, 2 of them. This is the door computer here. Okay, we got them out. And now, as you know, most mirrors come out from here. You have 3 bolts. This one is different guys. Let me show you why. We need a Torx 20, okay, T20, like that. And we'll need to go ahead, okay, and not drop it. Pull the mirror this way to remove the screw. Okay, right there. Then you need to grab it and pull it the other way. You have 2 more. One on the bottom and one on top. Okay, you need to be holding it with 2 hands now. Okay. It came out. And now we can go ahead and pull the wires. Okay, from right there. And this is guys the mirror. You can see very unusual video, but it's doable. So if somebody wants to steal your mirror, they can do it all the time. All they will have to do is just cut the wires. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.